Hey, what's up? My name is Tage Lampung. To you how you can express yourself. In 2016, me and three of my friends, we started skateboarding together. We just had one board, and then but everyone is just so crazy about skateboarding. We used to skate all day, even in the middle of this heat summer, July, we used to skate all day. But that time it was just for fun, just kids having fun. And then we had that something, all the three of us connected together, and we skated. And that's how probably the dream of being a skater started. Those 6 months when I was studying for my coaching for this engineering, those 6 months, instead of studying, we just skated all day. And I think from then that the idea of being something more, I can be something more in this line. That's how the idea started, and I think it's probably now 2016 say
Well, skateboarding represents actually a lifestyle. Since it अगर ओलंपिक्स में भी आ गया तो उसको स्पोर्ट्स की तरह देखता है. लेकिन जब आप 1960s की बात करेंगे, वहाँ के सर्फर जो थे, सर्फर लोग ने स्टार्ट किया था इसको कैलिफोर्निया में. और skateboarding is like expressing your freedom just on a skateboard.
It used to be just for fun, but right now I want to take it professionally as far as possible. The meter of success for everyone is different, but I just want to try and give myself a chance so that I can be the best skater that I can be and take it as far as possible.
हम भी पहले इधर का आदमी जैसे था कि हमको नहीं लगता था कि स्केटबोर्ड इंटरेस्ट है, बस देखने में कूल लगता था. हाँ, ये बढ़िया है देखने के, हम कभी इंटरेस्ट नहीं दिए, यहाँ तक कि पूछा भी नहीं था कि मिलते हैं कि नहीं मिलते. फिर हम लास्ट ईयर मेरा कॉलेज का काम से किए, तो कोरोना का वजह से हम भैया लोग के साथ स्टे किए. फिर तो उसमें मेरे पास करने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं था, तो हम भैया लोग का स्केटबोर्ड पकड़ के थोड़ा सा किए. तो एक बार करने के बाद हमको इंटरेस्ट थोड़ा जाग गया. फिर जैसे जैसे हम वो लोग का साथ सोशलाइज हुए, तो हमको पता चले बहुत इंटरेस्ट है. फिर अभी हम मेरा जो भी स्किल है, जो भी बोल सकते हैं, उसको तो इम्प्रूव करने मन है जितना हो सकेगा.
मेरे भाई का बर्थडे में एक स्केटबोर्ड छोटा सा गिफ्ट किया था मेरे जीजा जी जो. सो लाइक कोई वो बोर्ड को नोबडी वाज यूजिंग दैट बोर्ड, तो आई वाज देयर, तो हम यूज़ किया है उसको. तो लाइक फर्स्ट टाइम जब क्रूजिंग किया तो आई फेल डाउन, गिर गया, फिर उठा है उठने को उठने के बाद फिर ट्राई किया तो हमको तो चोट भी लगा है. देन लाइक इन विद इन अ डे तो एक एक्साइटमेंट और लाइक बोर्ड का सब बहुत अटैचमेंट हो गया, तो फिर लाइक आई वेंट टू लाइक बेंजोलोमा स्केट पार्क, स्ट्रेट वहाँ पे गया है। तो विद दिस स्मॉल स्केट बोर्ड लाइक टॉय वाला, तो वहाँ पे गया है, तो आई फाउंड सम स्केटर्स देयर, तो सब मेरा मजाक भी उड़ा है, हंसे हमको। तो क्रूजिंग नहीं हो रहा था वहाँ पे, तो मेरे कजिन है आजे, तो वो लाइक ही गेव मी वन बोर्ड, जो उसका एक्स्ट्रा बोर्ड था उसको दिया है, तो वहाँ से मेरा प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट हो गया।
Well, skateboarding, I don't take it like as a professional way. I just do it because I like it a lot. And दोस्त लोग भी मिला है बहुत सारा, अभी खराब अच्छा दोस्त है सभी लोग।
I always used to be an introvert, scared child, you know. I always used to feel low about myself, didn't have much confidence. But back in when I just finished my 10th standard, that's when I first started. I mean, my cousin had a skateboard, and that was the first time I stepped on it. And the first thing I did was hill bombing. Hill bombing is like you go down a hill while cruising. You go downhill on your skateboard. So that's how I started skateboarding. But as soon as I started, you know, I was standing on that skateboard, something just clicked, and I don't know, I just felt like so connected to it, and ever since then I've been skateboarding. But the thing about skateboarding is, I think it, like I said, I was like a really scared and introvert child, but as soon as I started skateboarding, I started to meet more people, and I tried to push myself a bit more, and somehow on the way, I think it helped me open up a bit. And plus, like, everyone needs some passion in their life. I mean, that's some things that drives you, and skateboarding was that for me. I mean, I tried a lot of other sports like football and all those stuff, but never really felt like it. But once I was on this board, it just clicked, and it's like a part of me that helped me grow. I mean, I think without skateboarding, I would have still been that introvert, shy child who wasn't exploring much, just stayed indoors and didn't express himself much. I think that's skateboarding for me. Like an athletic and sports, but for some it's a lifestyle, and for some it's an expression, like kind of art, you know, like painting expression. So I think I'm the kind of skater who thinks skateboarding is an art and lifestyle, and I don't believe, but I don't believe in competitive skateboarding. Like, although I tried once in Jugaad, but then 2017 I think I went to Jugaad skateboarding for competition, but that's when I realized that competitive skateboarding is not for me.
एक्सपीरियंस लाइक दिल्ली तो हम लाइक मेरा काम के लिए हम गया था, तो वो हमें एफिकेसी ब्रांड है क्या, स्केटबोर्ड ब्रांड, तो हमें कंपटीशन हो रहा था, ऑनलाइन कंपटीशन। इवन आई टुक अ पार्ट। तो 20 अगस्त को हुआ था ये कंपटीशन। फिर लाइक हम जीत, लाइक आई वांट लाइक गर्ल कट और से लाइक आई वांट दैट प्राइज, लाइक एक बोर्ड एंड 1 गिफ्ट टाइप 2 टी-शर्ट फ्रॉम एजुकेशन ब्रांड।
अरुणाचल बोल के तो नहीं बोले, इंडिया पे तो सब स्केट सीन सेम ही है हमको लगता है। शायद यहाँ भी वैसे ही, बाहर भी ऐसे है। वही बाहर पे थोड़ा हाँ स्पोर्ट मिल जाता है, फिर यहाँ स्पोर्ट का कमी है, बस वही है। प्रैक्टिस तो वहाँ भी करते यहाँ भी करते हैं। है एक बेंजिलोमा पार्क बोल के, और यहाँ म्यूजियम अभी जा बेचता है, और एक होता है वहाँ आई लव ईटानगर। वो 3-4 स्पोर्ट ही है, बस ठीक है, अच्छा है।
यहाँ में तो लाइक राइट नाउ आई एम द ओनली गर्ल स्केटर, बट लाइक अरुणाचल से और भी है स्केटर। इन दिल्ली देयर आर लाइक मोर देन 4 to 5 गर्ल्स स्केटर इज देयर।
We are just still starting. I think we are quite a small community. We have around 6 or 7 skaters every day. So I think we need to grow in numbers. If we are to compete with other states, we have a lot of good skaters in Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, even Meghalaya, and even one guy from Mizoram is quite good. Well, if you talk about the community in Arunachal, I think it's, I don't think it's getting bigger, I think it's getting smaller, you know. But there are some young budding skaters, they are willing to skate, you know, but not in a professional way. They are just skating for fun. There are some people who support her, you know, and there are some who, you know, disguise us as we are some kind of, you know, spoiled kids, you know, kharab bacha, you know. Well, we get appreciation from, you know, people, but there are some negative people, you know, that we can find in anywhere.
दूसरा आदमी दूसरा तरीका से देखता है, सही है। बोल के नया लगता होगा, नया तो नहीं लगना चाहिए, लेकिन फिर भी लाइव देख के आज कैसे महसूस होता है वो पता नहीं।
Still quite growing, it's still small, and I'm just happy and I'm lucky to have this 5-6 regular skaters. But few years back, I mean, every time I used to come back here, I didn't find any skaters to skate. I mean, although there were skaters, but it's just like we couldn't connect with each other. There was lack of communication, reaching out to them. That's why I always thought that I was alone. But recently, just this summer, I've met these few skaters, and like they're really good skaters, and I'm happy to skate with them. So probably I think the culture is still quite new, but it's growing. I mean, we skate regularly, so I won't say the culture doesn't exist. It's small, but it's growing, and overall all the reaction has been positive till now. But just one time we were trying to film on street.
अपना इंस्टाग्राम के लिए वीडियो शूट कर रहा था, तो उधर में एक आदमी आके गुस्सा हो गया, मतलब कि क्यों कर रहे हैं। हम लोग को पूछे हैं, बस हम लोग उसका स्कूटी को जो स्पोर्ट था उधर से हम उसको पूछ के हटा दिया कि हाँ आपका स्कूटी को डैमेज हो सकते तो हम लोग शायद खरीद देगा करके। लेकिन वो बात को लेकर बहुत गुस्सा हो गया ना, इसका हम लोग को ज़्यादा कंप्लेन करके उसको जैसे भी भगा ही दिया।
Us skating out there, so I think we had just of a beef, you know. He got angry with us and he said that this is not the place people should skate. You should go skate somewhere else. I mean, you are creating problem for others. And he said that if you want to be a pro, you shouldn't be skating here. But I think skateboarding is not limited to parks. I mean, if skateboarding is, like I said, it's an expression. It's meant to be for street. Not meant to be for street, but I think like street is an integral part of skateboarding.
Unfortunately, I mean, we have only one skate park in this Itanar capital region. That's in Lekki village, just near of ISPT. Well, it was made by one guy named Jimit Gambu. I mean, he used to skate back in his days, and he constructed this skate park. I mean, it gave us a lot of opportunity to showcase our talent. You know, not just in our state, but also to the rest of the world and across India.
So whoever like कोई भी जो interest है skateboarding में, want to like skate or want to like just skate सीखना है, तो like Instagram में Nani11, like हमको like you can contact me on there. Like हम लोग साथ में like सिखा सकते हैं, because I have learned a lot and even I want to teach you guys like जो interested है. And skateboarding is like freedom है, there's no restriction. You will learn a lot to like तुम्हारे life में like you know जीने में ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा.
In Olympic 2020, a 16-year-old girl won the gold medal in women's park. So I think that's a big achievement for Japan. I think hopefully we'll get some skaters in the near future in representing Arunachal in Olympics or any other competition held across the world or in India. So, what I want to say to the people of through this media is that skateboarding is just going okay. So don't expect us that just by giving interview will bring some contributions like in skateboarding to the state. We're just starting. I hope it goes in much bigger community than it is now.
One thing is that I don't think anyone thinks right now that someone can be something being a skater, right? And I want to change that. I mean, it's one of my biggest goal, I think, in this life, to change people' perspective that if you are a skater, you can be something out of it. You know, you don't have to sacrifice skateboarding, and you don't have to make skateboarding just an hobby, but you can be a skater and I think make your life through skateboarding. I believe that. I don't know how long it will take, but I believe that it is possible, even in India. So let's see how it happens. I mean, okay, done.